Hi, Abigail. You're dancing. Do you like your new car? Yeah. It's so fun. Why don't you push it? Why don't you push it? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come to Mama. Yay! Yay! What a big girl. What a big girl. Big girl walking all by herself. Yay. Say thank you. We love our new car.